Right over here under timeline actions, when you click that button, there are 3 different ways that you are able to view or email out a timeline. The first option is preview. If I click on preview, another window is going to appear and I'm able to preview the full timeline. If I go back here and I were to select the second option, which is download, a pop-up is going to appear and I am able to choose the full timeline, just the wedding party timeline, and then I can also select the individual tailored timelines for each venue, or for each vendor and for each venue. And if we had files, I could also download those as well. I would click download, and then a zip file is going to download onto my computer that I can then email each timeline out to the right person. The third option is going to be the email button. This is a new feature and one of our most popular lately. And when you select that, what you will see is you have then the choice to choose from the full timeline, tailored timelines, and then you can come in here and select which vendor, let's do our DJ, you want to send this to, and then you can include a message that says, "Hey Brian, attached, you will find your timelines for this weekend," and maybe I should say your final timelines for this weekend. And I can then sign my name and click send, and then that will be sent directly to Brian. It will include clickable links to open both of those PDFs, and he can then print them from there.